Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to see local values in Terraform. So what is the importance of local values, why we need to use local values. Okay, so we are going to see everything about local values in this video, and we are going to discuss things practically as well as theoretically. Okay, so let's go ahead. So understanding the challenge, why we need to use local values. Okay, so various resources in your project can have common values like tags. Okay, so repeating these values across multiple resource block increase the code length and make it difficult to manage in the larger project. Okay, so one solution we have using variable, and another solution we have using locals. Okay, so as you can see here, we have one variable here, that is payment underscore tag, and type is map, default is, and the key value is team and the payment team. Okay, so we are referring the same variable here in both of the resources, right? And using local block we are doing the same, right? So we have defined the local block here. Okay, and we have created two resources, one is EC2 instance and another one is a security group. Okay, so in both of the resources we are referring this using local tags. Okay, so we are doing this. So let's go ahead and discuss the things, okay, practically. So what I need to do, I will create two security group, okay, for this practical. So let me define resource AWS underscore security group, right? And I will give the name as 𝗧𝗨-1. okay, and here I will give name is equal to and app firewall or something, any name you can give according to your preference. Okay, so what I will do now, I will add tags here. Okay, I will add tags here, and tag team is equal to security team. Okay, so I have created this tag here, block here. Let me copy it and I will change the name it to security group 2, and here I will change it to dev firewall. Okay, and tag and everything will be same. So as you can see here, we having this tag at line number 9 and we having the same tag at line number 17. So to reduce the length of our script, Terraform script, and make our Terraform script more dynamic and advanced, we have to either use variable or we have to use locals. Okay, so there are two scenario. Okay, but in which case we have to use local and in which case we have to use variable. So let's go ahead and discuss that. Okay, so now I will define one variable. Okay, that will be tags. Okay, and the default the type will be map and default will be security team. Okay, and default will be security team, right? So let's save this okay. And what we need to do, if we have defined the variable, then we have to remove this, and tag is equal to var.tags, the name, okay. So we have to remove this as well, and we have to use the variable var.tags, okay. So let's save this, okay. And what we need to do, we need to run terraform init and apply. So let me run terraform init. Okay, so terraform init ran successfully. So let's run terraform plan. So see what is going to create our terraform script is, okay. So let's wait for some time, it's taking little bit more time than usual. Okay, come on. Why it's taking this much time? Let's see. So let me show you. I am under my like AWS account, and I am under VPC, okay. So I am under security group here, okay, as you can see. So we don't have any security group, okay, apart from the default one, right. You are able to see only one security group here, okay. So let's go to the terminal here. So as you can see, plan 2 to add 0 to change, 0 to destroy, right. So let's go ahead and run terraform apply. So we'll discuss the things in little bit brief detail, so you can understand the actual use case, why we need to use locals and where we need to use variables, okay. So little bit it will take little bit time to explain, because we are deeping dive to the topics. So have some patience and keep learning, okay. So I will say yes, I want to create these resources. So our resources are getting created, right. So our resource got created. So let's go to our security group here and let's refresh it, right. So we have app firewall, we have dev firewall, right, two security group that have been created. So if we open this security group, okay, and if we go to the tags, we can see the value team is security team, right. For both of the security group will have same things. So let's open this one, app one, and go to the tags in this one, team security group, okay, and dev and app both having same, right. So yeah, so this is the scenario, okay. But if we want to achieve the same using locals, then how we can do it, and in what case we have to do it. So let's go ahead and see that. So I will define the local block here, okay, and the default is equal to, and what it will be, there is the team security group, team security group, okay. So here we have default of value, that is team, and the key is team and the value is security group, right? So what we can do, how we can refer this local? So we just have to use local dot default. Okay, so let's save this, and here we have to also use local dot default. Okay, let's save this, and we are not referring the variable here. So let me run Terraform plan again. So plan is getting created, so let's wait for some more time. Okay, okay, this much time it's taking. It's usually not take that much time. Yeah, so our whatever resources we have, it's getting refreshed, right? So it's saying no changes in your infrastructure. So your infrastructure matches the configuration, whatever configuration we have written here, right? So the local value, local block is also doing the same thing the variable is doing here. Okay, so what is the difference now? Why we need to use local and why we need to variable? So in some of the cases where you need to call the function, okay, so in that use case you cannot use variable. Okay, so if you are going to use any variable, sorry, any function under the variable, it will not supported, it is not supported, and it will not allow you to create the resources. So let's see and go ahead. Okay, so suppose we want the creation time of for this like security group. Okay, so we have to call the function here in the variable. Okay, so let me write creation, okay, date is equal to, and for that we have what we have format date function. Okay, so as you can see, format date convert a timestamp into a different time format. Okay, so in the Terraform language, timestamp are conventionally represented as a string. So let's go ahead and like use this. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this creation date, I will write date. Okay, I will write date hyphen dollar curly braces. Okay, then what we need to use, this format date, we need to use format date. Okay, then after that what we need to use, we need to use the date format. Okay, this one, the format date ddmmm yy. Okay, so according to your preference you can use it. So I am not explaining the format function here, as we are discussing about the local. In some upcoming videos we will discuss about the format function in detail. Okay, so we are just discussing about the local, so I am not going to explain in the detail like how to use this function. Okay, but I will give you the overview. Okay, ddmmm yy. Okay, so I will use this. So let's, and then after that what we need to do, then after that we need to use the timestamp function. Okay, so we have we are calling two function. First one is the format date and another one is the timestamp. Okay, so okay, so let's copy this. So there is some, so what happened? Okay, okay, so yeah, I was missing the double quotes. Now it's fine. Okay, let me save this. Okay, and let me comment this local section. Okay, I will comment this so it will not get executed. Okay, and we want to call the like whatever function we have created, we want to create the timestamp as well. Okay, so let me use the variable here var var dot tags, and here we will use var dot tags as well. Okay, let me save it and let me run Terraform apply again directly. Okay, to see you can see here, let me expand this tab so you can see clearly. So function call are not allowed on main.tf line number 21, right? So we are calling the function inside the variable, that is not allowed behavior in the Terraform. Okay, so function may not called here. Okay, so whatever function we are calling, that is format date and the timestamp function under variable, that is not allowed. So that's why we need to use local whenever there are certain kind of scenario and the use case where you need to use the function. Okay, and inside the tag and according to your use case. Okay, so you need to use like locals block to define the function. Okay, because it's allow like us to create and call the function inside local block. Okay, so local block and variable block does not allow us to like call any function from variable block. Okay, we cannot call it, but to define tag we can easily use this variable block. There is no issue, you can go ahead and you can use it for wide variety of use cases. But whenever you want to call any like function inside variable, it is not allowed. So you have to use local block in that case. Okay, so let me uncomment this. Okay, and let me cut this and move this from here to here. Okay, oh sorry, so let's save this changes, let's save these changes. Okay, and run Terraform apply again. So let's see, our resource is getting created and the timestamp is getting added to the resource or not. Okay, so let's see. It's taking little bit more time than usual, so we have to wait. So no changes, your infrastructure matches the configuration, right? Terraform has compared your real-time infrastructure against, so there are no changes. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the security group. Okay, owner zero permission, So if we open this security group app firewall, you can see managed by Terraform, right? Okay, so what I did, one mistake I did. Okay, so we have to use the local variable here as well, right, for the tagging. So that I not did, I missed that. So let me use that. Okay, local dot default, and here local dot default. Let me save this changes. Okay, and let me run Terraform apply again. So yeah, it's taking more time. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss about this time function, format function. Okay, so there is a lot of built-in function available in Terraform that you can use whenever you are writing the Terraform script. Okay, so there are wide variety of inbuilt function available. Okay, so like Terraform does not support user defined function. Whenever like you need to create any custom function, that is not supported in the Terraform. So you have to use whatever inbuilt function is already available by the Terraform. Okay, so it's asking for value. I will say yes. Plan to change, as you can see here, right? It's saying plan to change. We have to change. It will change two resources, that is our security group, right? SG1 and SG2. So as you can see, security group SG1 modification and done. Okay, two changed. So let's go back to the security group and go to our first security group, go to the tag. We'll have this, we having this. Okay, creation date. Okay, and the date is 25 12 and 2024. So for better representation we can use forward slash and forward slash. Okay, we can also use this. So let's run Terraform apply again. As we can see here, the creation date this. Okay, so it's working and we are able to call the function using local block, but we were not able to call the function using variable block. Okay, so Terraform apply is running. For better visual representation, I have added forward slash. So let it be complete. So yes, I want to go ahead. Modification complete. So go to the Terraform, and if we refresh this, go to the this, go to here, go to tags. As we can see, 25 12 2024, right? So this looks pretty nice, right? So it's easy readable and understandable, right? So anyone can like see the date is in the good format now. So this it's all about the local values in Terraform. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.